All right, in order to multiply these two expressions together, what I'm first going to do is to FOIL to multiply these out. So I'm going to multiply the square root of 7 times the square root of 7, which is 7. By the way, side note on that, the square root of 7 times the square root of 7 is actually the square root of 49. But that, square root of 49, is just 7. In fact, anytime you multiply a radical by itself, you'll always get this nature right here. In this case, the square root of 7 times the square root of 7 is 7. All right, but moving forward. Square root of 7 times negative 8 times the square root of 5. I multiply the stuff inside the radical. That would give me a negative 8 times the square root of 35. Let's now multiply these other numbers together, or other terms together. So root 5 times the square root of 7 is positive square root of 35. And the square root of 5 times negative 8 times the square root of 5. This is negative 8 times the square root of 25. But I can use the same trick actually that I just used over here. The square root of 25 is 5, so this just becomes negative 8 times 5. Lastly, all we need to do now is combine like terms and clean anything up. This right here, by the way, is a minus 40. I'm just going to be a little bit lazy here and just write that. So the negative 40 and the 7 come together to be a negative 33. And then I have minus 8 root 35 plus 1 root 35. And again, if I want, I could throw a coefficient of 1 in front of this term. That would give me negative 7 square root of 35. This is my final simplified answer.